Hi everyone, so as promised I went to check to see if you can subtract one part from another in an assembly instead of inside a multi-body part, which you can. So here is my part. This is derived from a multi-body part, so it's got no details in it. Doesn't make a difference to what we want to do here. So I'm going to save this as an assembly. So let's just see if we can get that command, make part from assembly, and then I'm going to drop it in using the OK button so that it drops in using the same origin as what I used in the very original, so they correspond. That's great. I'm going to save this as an assembly file. I'm overwriting my old one to save time. And so let's bring in a new component. Let's say insert component, and this time I'm going to browse for the handle equivalent of it. There it is. Okay, and if I use the check button again, if I've modeled this in place correctly, it'll drop it in exactly where I want to be. So all I need to do is check that the origin of the two correspond, which they do. It was a green and then a blue button, a blue dot. All right, so you can see that if I make this hidden, you can see that there's no hole cut in that feature yet. So what you do is you right click in the feature or in the part that you want to cut into and you edit it. You say edit part, that's this fourth button. And then inside the commands, you go to insert features. So it's exactly the same as in the multi-body part. You can use indent. I'm not going to show you how to do indent again. Or you can use cavity. They both work pretty much the same. So I'm going to use cavity this time just to show you the difference. So here in design components, you're going to select the one you want to subtract with. That's the knife handle. And you're going to say OK. And then it's done it. And let's exit this, edit the part environment. And if I hide the top one, you'll see that the hole is there. And if I do a section, you can see that it's subtracted the tang of the knife from the handle. And that's how you do it. You can save this now, and then this part will have that part permanently inside it, and you can use it as it stands.